How to tell if you're crocheting on the right side or wrong side? Well, that's all up to your opinion. If you want the V's on the outside, then that's the outside. But as I grew up, this is, in my opinion, the outside, the V. But you could also work it from the inside. And if you'll notice, there are these little bars going along. And this is how you can tell the difference between right side and wrong side. And is these little bars and these little V's. Little V right there. And also, if you are still unsure, here's another tip for you. Especially if you're right-handed. I'm not too sure about left-handed, but if you're right-handed and you are crocheting from the inside to the outside, then you are crocheting wrong side out. Now, if you flip your work, and most patterns won't tell you to flip your work, but if you flip your work, then you crochet from the outside to the inside. I hope that helped.